Hey guys, Mrs. Kroll here, and today I'm going to step you through how to send an email to your specials teacher and attach your assignment to that email. So the first thing we're going to do is our iPad is open, so we're going to click on our native email browser. That's this blue envelope or blue square with the white envelope. We're going to tap on that. And then we're going to go up here in the corner and we are going to tap on the piece of paper that looks like it's got a pencil. That will write a new email. And then we're going to type in our specials teacher's email address. You guys are sending from your Google email, so you need to use your specials teacher's Google email, I believe. I'm not sure that the system will let you send to emails outside of our g.risd addresses. So I'm going to send an email to Miss Rivas. And in the subject, I'm going to type my assignment. What you should probably do is follow your specials teacher's guidelines for what you need to put in the subject. And then I'm going to get rid of my keyboard. And I'm going to type a message in here. And then down here, I should be able to add a document or add a picture down here in the bottom right above the keyboard. So I can scan a document, I can add something that I've already made, I can use a photo. So that's what I'm going to use today. I'm going to use a photo that I've already taken. And I am going to send that picture to Mrs. Rivas so that she knows that I've been using my technology. Okay, and then I closed that menu. And then I'm just going to click this blue arrow button up here at the top. And that should send it off to her. Now, if I have any other problems, I'm going to contact Mrs. Rivas at asolis, SOLIS, at g.risd.org, or I'm going to contact Mrs. Kroll at SAKRAAL at g.risd.org, and we will be able to help you with those technology problems. If you have any other questions, please feel free to contact Ms. Rivas or I, and we'll be happy to help you with those problems, working those out with you one-on-one. Thanks.